Okay, go, Ashi. Okay, we're having a burping contest here, and Ashi against Shivam. Ashi's drinking 7-Up, and she never could burp, and Shivam's drinking Diet Pepsi. Okay, no, you have to drink it fast. Is that real?
Wow.
Okay, Shivam's turn. But if you drink it like a lot, then you will.
Holy crap! Did you see that? Did you see that?
Okay, well, he's like better, because look at him. He won. Okay, go.
Let me try this in round 2. This is hard. This is kind of making me cough.
Annoying.
I'm gonna choke in the middle of it.
Okay. Funny him. Okay, go.
My turn?
Yeah. Just go. Just go. Just go.
Stop laughing.
Go.
Oh.
I would drink the whole thing if it was cold.
Am I being hyper or what?
Not really. Yeah.
Shut up.
Just drink it.
Shut up. Stop laughing.
Oh my God, he's gonna throw up. You can't just keep your mouth open.
It just failed already.
I could burp without even drinking soda. Watch. Maybe.
Dude, I phoned.
She's won. You need to drink that whole thing in order to win. Not it.
Shut up! Let me try.
Dude, she's doing good. Drink it fast. Just go. And you're gonna go like an elf, like an elf. Okay. No, your turn. No, Austin, just drink it. No, just do what he does. Do what he does and you'll go loud.
Phone that.
No, you can't just keep your mouth open. You just have to go.
Shut up.
His face. Go. You almost threw up. Don't do that. Oh, she just go.
It's coming out. I was like a lung burp.
Go.
You can't
Don't keep your mouth open.
You
just
can't
have to
have
go.
soda in your lung. You'll die.
Don't make her laugh. I want her to win.
Thumbnail.
Don't make her laugh. No, seriously.
I didn't even swallow it yet.
You just did.
I know.
Okay, no, it's her turn to do it like how you
That
did.
was the coolest
Come on.
burp ever.
This is so stupid. So childish.
I'm Ashi and I'm about to.
Let me help you.
Oh my God! Shh, you guys have to be quiet. Shh, we have to be quiet.
Ow. Bye.
It's coming out.
Hit her again. Was that you?
Did you hear
Dude,
that?
yo, you're gonna throw up if you keep on doing that.
Did you hear that?
No, you have to drink more. No.
Dang, I gotta drink some more. Could I have yours, please?
My burp juice.
Dude, this is really... Fine.
Go get Coke.
What kind of Coke?
Mix that in Dr. Pepper, in root beer together, you'll burp so
Sean,
loud.
you know that's Mama's medication.
What? Are you kidding?
No.
Is she gonna sleep if he drinks that?
Crap.
No,
Dude,
this is-
thinking of medication. Burping like
Medication is
Okay, Ausie's winning. Go.
Yeah, I'm
This is
phoning.
not fair.
No, since she's winning, she gets to go again. Like, just, I'll tell you when to stop.
I gotta finish the rest.
Okay. But don't just keep your mouth open, that's cheating. You just have to just let it come natural. I'm gonna give you a minute. Just let it come natural. Here, drink some of his.
No! Yes. I drink some of yours.
Okay, just try.
There's none even left. I don't want to drink out of his like spit bottle.
I know, I threw up in there.
You did?
No. I just wanted it back. You fail. My turn.
Yeah, it's not coming out.
Okay.
I.
Well, here we go. Oh!
Let me.
Okay, his turn. Try to drink that whole thing like Elf did. Oh, it's gonna stop recording probably. Okay, he's winning now. What kind of medication's in there?
It's not medication. It's like my mom drinks that all the time. And
What do
if
you
you're
mean?
drinking it all, she's gonna get mad when it's gone in the morning.
Oh.
She always buys them.
This is gross.
Did you finish yours?
Yeah.
Oh.
Two. I can't finish it. Oh, I'm gonna throw up.
Okay, you guys done?
Yeah. Let's see.
How do you
Wait.
turn it off?
Let's see our results. I
Press
bet they're
that
like
button.
really